Imagine having one AI that can answer your questions, write code, understand images, generate videos, and even help you build applications, all from a single platform. That's exactly what Google AI Studio offers. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. To begin, simply open Google AI Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. There's nothing to install or configure, and within a few seconds you'll have access to Google's latest Gemini AI models. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google AI Studio dashboard. This is your workspace where you can test prompts, experiment with different Gemini models, and explore the latest AI capabilities before using them in your own projects or applications. Let's start with a simple example. I'll ask Gemini to explain quantum computing as if I were 10 years old. Even though it's a complex topic, Gemini breaks it down into simple language that's easy to understand. Instead of giving a confusing technical explanation, it organizes the response in a way that's beginner-friendly. One thing you'll notice while Gemini is generating the answer is how detailed the responses are. It doesn't just answer the question, it explains concepts, provides examples, and adapts its response based on exactly what you ask. That's one of the biggest advantages of using AI Studio over a traditional search engine. Now let's continue the conversation with a follow-up question instead of starting from scratch. I'll ask Gemini to explain the same concept using a pizza analogy. Since it remembers the previous conversation, it understands the context automatically and builds upon the earlier response. This makes conversations feel much more natural and productive. Google AI Studio isn't limited to text either. It can also understand images. Let's upload an image and ask Gemini to describe what it sees. This feature is incredibly useful for analyzing screenshots, identifying objects, reading charts, explaining diagrams, or extracting useful information from images. As you can see, Gemini carefully analyzes the uploaded image and provides a detailed description instead of simply listing objects. The responses are surprisingly accurate and can save a lot of time when working with visual content. If you're a developer, you'll probably love this next feature. Let's ask Gemini to write a Java program. Within seconds, it generates clean code along with an explanation of how the program works. Whether you're learning programming, debugging existing code, or building new applications, this can significantly speed up your workflow. Google AI Studio also allows you to switch between different Gemini models. Each model is designed for different types of tasks. Some models are optimized for faster responses, while others focus on advanced reasoning or multimodal capabilities. Choosing the right model depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Another useful capability is generating structured information like tables. Instead of manually formatting comparisons or organizing data, Gemini can instantly create clean and readable tables, making it useful for students, professionals, and researchers alike. Google is also expanding AI Studio beyond text. It now includes powerful generative AI features that can create videos from simple prompts. This opens exciting possibilities for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone looking to create visual content much faster than traditional methods. And if you're interested in app development or UI design, AI Studio can even generate interface ideas based on simple descriptions. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, you can quickly create prototypes and refine them, helping developers and designers move from idea to implementation much more efficiently. As you've seen, Google AI Studio is much more than just another AI chatbot. It combines powerful language models, image understanding, coding assistance, structured data generation, video creation, and rapid prototyping into a single platform that's easy to use and completely browser-based. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,